This video we learn another operation for clean up this work. Before we do it, make sure what else we can do first. Check over here, you will see all of the surface we make the toolpath already, and only this one, and we see from the top, make sure it's not taper angle, and this 90-degree, double check 90. This is 0, that means 90-degree 0. Zero 2, and this is the symbol operation. We just use the 2D toolpath and we apply small amount cut for less pressure of the tool on the wall. We click over here, make sure it doesn't select all, and click the toolpath, control over here, and this is easy to select it, partial, and this one, see plane, this one, or we use this one 3D and 1x1 X. Add backward, add in to make sure it run the left side, climb milling, okay, and DC U tour Korean flat and mill, run SSM 200. It's a 1.5 thou. This is chip thinning, we use 2 thou for the tooth, and holder, use the same holder before. Need to put the tool wear, and if we need to measure it, and we measure it, and maybe we adjust the cutter comb for that. We run until 0, not leave anything, wall and floor. Depth of cut, we cut about 100. Let's see how much we cut over here. Distance from this to this. This is the 500, 600. We cut the 200, 3 pass. And step now. Lead in, lead out. We lead in, quarter in, radius, quarter in, okay. And break 2, no. Multi pass, no, because it's only 5 thou, 10 thou left over. And tab, no. Linking, we do absolute, fit at 0, at 1, 0, absolute, and don't do the top stock at little 3. The green point Z at here. Control C, Control V, and did the black point. Now the red point is a stop over here, and maybe we do 100 above a little bit. No, we just do exactly, and 100 on here, fit plane, and okay. For machine, plane, workpiece top, column, no, on ear, the ear is on, and okay. Here we go. The feet from this down here, check it. Feet down, feet down, feet down, and feet in, feet in, feet in, and up and up and up and down. Yeah, good. And run it in a 3-step. And we can verify it. Machine verify it. And run slow. And we can compare over here with the part over here, compare over here, it's really good now. I would like to run all of them again. Verify. I stop for operation chain, tool inspection, collision, and these two. These are more aggressive, but it's actually not. Need to watch out and run first tool. The first is run the flat portion. I'll turn off the pop for easy to see. I'll change the color for each operation, and it's the run the next operation. Need to run the raster operation, and need the raster to also raster, and this proximity alert is a more class over here. And keep running. Need a tool chain. One more operation. Need to run water line inside until the bottom. And one more. Need to run water line outside. One more. Need to run water line outside this one. And one more. Need to run water line for outside this one. One more. Need to run water line for inside this open pocket, the green color is the alert proximity. And proximity alert again. Is your more class over here, so close. Okay, and one more. This run the operation green done, and one more. Need to run the water line for this wool brown color, then one more. Now turn off the proximity alert. Need a tool chain for another operation. Need a shadow operation, and one more. Need to run radio from its pan the toolpath from the center. One more operation, it is same this operation, run this knob over here. One more operation is run the equal scallop on the top of this, and one more operation is run the parallel for cleanup on the top of area, and one more operation run the clean up the wall over here. That's all operation we need to clean up. And this we need to run one more operation, we call it leftover, for run all of these again. Pencil toolpath, I'll make another video about that. Thank you for watching.